All you need is a set of weights. I have 2 pounds in my hands here. Start with the feet nice and wide. Let's get into it. Bend those knees. Elbows are gonna come wide behind the head. Oblique crunches, side to side, elbow to the knee. Teach down, down, down. So keep the hips nice and low. Heels rooted in towards the floor. Over. Keeping those shoulders stacked. Let's pulse it, hold and stay, squeeze, squeeze. Good to get a little lower in those hips. Pulse down. Breathe. Other side, let's go, down, down. Top shoulders stacked. Pull that navel into the spine. 5, 4, 3, 2. We're gonna stay right here. Extend those arms long. Alternate, reach and tap. Reach and tap. Feel extension through both arms, reaching in opposite directions. Exhale the effort. Nice deep breaths, double time, go. Reach for it, keep down. Down, try and touch the floor. Over. Getting ready, hold right here, just pulse. Down. So still feel that oppositional pull both directions. 4, other side. Reach, reach. Both arms up, straighten those legs, take it over and lift, over and up. Try to keep even space between both ears. Yeah, so we're really moving from the waist and not just the shoulders. Neck is long, shoulders relax down the back. Round the arms, touch the fingers, pulse. Over, over. Belly in. Other side, let's go. Down, down. Stack those shoulders. Yeah, open up that top elbow. Maybe spiral the gaze towards the ceiling. Into punches next. Cross, cross. So really root yourself in the lower half of the body. Yeah, I think those hips are like headlights of a car. So they stay nice and square to the front. Twisting that waist. Double time, reach it out, out. Try to get that same length. Belly pulls back. Twist. Now just one arm. Punch, punch. Equal power to the reach and the pull back. Yeah, so we're working in both directions. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Other side, let's go. Out, reach, out. Good, pull that elbow back strong. Reach, pull. Connect into that breath. 6, 5, 4. Elbows wide, twist, twist. Good, a little lower. Root those heels down, up and over. We're gonna add the legs this time, reach, step. Feel that stretch from fingers to toes. Focus on the abdominals. Cross the body, shoulder height, reach out. Try to get long here. 2 feet, 1 foot. Transfer that weight. Right in center. Arms up. Pull. Down, lift, down, lift. So really stemming from the core. Shoulders over the hips. That torso is tight. Reach the arms to the side, up and down. Just around shoulder height. Bring it back to the front. Start to swing. Switch, 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 switch. Pull that core in a little tighter. And double time. Start to pick up that tempo. Stay tight in your center. Breathe. Over 5 minutes down. And rest. Nice job. Let those weights go. Find your plank. Stay in that working zone. Tailbone reaches back towards your heel. Shoulders are over your wrists. Pike to plank. Lift the hips. Send it forward. It's up and back. So really move from the low belly here. Palms are driving in towards the floor. Lift up and out of the shoulders. Good. Coming forward. Alternate little knee taps. Twist the waist. Twist down. Down. Twist. Twist. And moving into shoulder taps next. Tap, cross. Really press that floor away. Yeah, lift the spine up towards the ceiling. Toe taps, go out, in. Try to keep the waist still, navel to spine. Off the floor, out, in, out, in. Pike, we're gonna add a tap. Pike it up, tap. Reach for that ankle, forward and lift. Forward and lift. Almost there. All right, let's run it out. Knees up, up. Pull that waist in. Good, navel to spine. Scoop the belly away from your thighs. Nice and controlled movements here. Stay strong, stay strong. You're almost there. Let's run it out. Run it out, we're here to finish. Go, up, 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 up. Pull forward through the crown of the head. Almost there, almost there. Find that plank, stay strong. Step forward towards your hands. Drop down to yogi squat, breathe. Woo, all right, no break. We're going right into our teaser. You're gonna gently rock back. Find that teaser position. Scoop the belly. Hover, hold, reach it out. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower, exhale, lift. Good, strong arms, strong legs, reach, scoop forward. Chest towards the thighs. If you need, grab onto your thighs. Yeah, help yourself out. Maybe even one leg stays flat on the floor. Work it out. Good. Hold up. Find that balance. Relax the shoulders. You got this. Option here, grab onto your weights. Stabilize the lower body. We're going to wring out the waist. Twist side to side. Try to squeeze those knees together. Moving just through the waist. Keep going, breathe. All right, look, we're going to go right into series of 5. So no breaks. Back to center, round down, single leg stretch, let's go. Pull in, pull in. So the shoulder blades are off the mat. Belly is scooping down away from your thigh. Pull, pull. Double leg stretch, both knees into the chest. Exhale, scoop it in. Inhale, circle out and around. Inhale, circle. Eyes are forward towards your thighs. Keep that head curled in. Good, single straight leg stretch. Grab onto the leg and pull and switch. Reaching the toes towards the ceiling, towards the wall. Give yourself a nice big stretch. We're gonna add a twist to this. Grab the weights and reach, reach. Both shoulders off the mat each time. Hold, pulse. Reach that ankle. Other side, up, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Double leg, straight leg stretch. We're gonna reach those arms forward. Exhale, lift. Slow down. Watch the belly. Exhale, sink it deeper. Inhale, lower. Exhale. Bend the knees slightly if you need. Yeah, you want to keep those heels glued. Right, we're focusing on trying to turn off the hip flexors and turn on those low abdominals. Yeah, the transverse abdominals. Elbows wide, crisscross. Let's go, twist, twist. Both shoulder blades off the mat. You're almost there, you're almost there. We're almost at 10 minutes. Stay in that flow. Right, let the breath guide you. Pick it up, reach, reach. If you need to bring the feet flat, go for it. Work that waist. Otherwise, keep running it out. Almost there. All right, last thing, I promise. We're gonna reach those legs forward, weights forward, flutter the legs, flutter the legs. Woo, drop the belly, drop the belly. Come up a little bit higher, flutter, flutter, flutter. And don't give in. Let's go, teaser, lift, lift, show it off, show it off. Here you go, this is it, beautiful. Hold it up, stay strong, stay strong. Give me a smile. And give yourself a smile. You are done, lower the legs, reach forward. Woo. And let those weights go. Awesome work, you're done. 10-minute abs. Woo. Peace and love. Yeah, see you guys soon. Thanks for joining me.